Hey, you're watching Foodie, YouTube's healthiest kitchen. I'm here today making my version of a soda. I don't drink actual soda. I haven't since I was a child. My mom didn't even let us have soda in the house, right? I had to sneak a Mountain Dew when I was over at my buddy's place. But I'm all grown up now, and I don't drink soda. Well, I drink Pellegrino soda, right? That's what I'm gonna make today. It's my version of a soda. So I like to mix Pellegrino, usually about 50-50 with my favorite fruit juices. So it could be orange juice, or today I have what I call purple juice, and it's Trader Joe's 100% fruit juice here. They call it to the power of 7, and it's just like 7 different fruit juices: pomegranate, cherry, mulberry, grape, purple carrot, cranberry, blueberry. So as an ice cube, I have frozen some blueberries. Blueberries are great because they have the skin on there. They don't clump together. You can just throw them in a bag and they stay individually frozen. So I'll do about half the glass. My fruit juice. And come in on top of that with some Pellegrino or any other sparkling water. I like to use the Pellegrino for the mineral content. So when you're consuming these purple juices and you hear about the antioxidants, right? Blueberries, stuff like that have antioxidants. Well, that's actually the purple pigmentation that's in there that has the antioxidant capacity. And it's called anthocyanins. And the anthocyanins are in the purple pigmentation, and they make a great antioxidant. So here's to your health.